This is old pipe that cannot be used anymore, and today we're going to learn how it goes from this to this. Today we're at BK Pipe Factory in Cambodia, and we're going to learn how this pipe turns into something we can use again. We're going to get a factory tour and meet the owner, so come with us. Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Tina.
Nice
I'm
to meet you.
Rachel. Nice
Welcome
to meet you.
to BK Pipe Factory.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.
Okay, all right, very welcome. And right now we would like to introduce you how to turn this waste into brand new.
Yeah.
All right. So this recipe we got it from local, yeah, which is like, as you can see, there's a lot of truck, selling this pipe for us, and we're gonna make it into the brand new.
I'm gonna go and investigate some of the pipe here because I think does it come from all over Cambodia?
Yeah. all
Yeah.
over.
Wow. Okay. Like different places. That's so cool. I'm gonna grab this one. Right. Whoa.
Yeah.
I've got a big bit.
massive piece.
Oh, it's actually quite heavy.
This is literally still assembled as well, which is really interesting. What most of the pipe was used for before?
Before it's coming from the farms, drilling,
Drilling, yeah.
drilling the well,
Uh-huh.
and also coming from the house.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, the tallest building, like when it's getting old, they crash the building and they selling this pipe.
Okay.
And after that, our next process is we need to clean. For the small pieces, we need to clean it until the cleanest. Yeah,
Wow.
until cleanest. And after that, we're gonna take it into the mixer machine. We're gonna do it like mix it with a raw material. Yeah. Until it become a powder. Yeah. And after that, we get it into the machine line. Yeah. As you can see, they pack it. Yeah, they pack it in the bags. Yeah, just like that. And after, for the big piece, we need to crush it. Yeah, into a small pieces with a crusher. Yeah. តោះឥឡូវនេះពួកយើងនាំគ្នាទៅមើលកន្លែងកិនចោទាំងអស់គ្នា Let's go.
Right, we've just been told about this machine here. This is the pipe crusher. So this is when they have these big pipes here, they put them in the very top, and then I don't know if you can see here on the ground, it turns into smaller material all crushed up, which is pretty cool. And they've got 3 of them here in the factory, but I think they only really use 2, don't they? Stuff like that. But it's cool, it's really cool to see actually how they do it and stuff like that, and how it turns into the little bits. So yeah.
អញ្ចឹងបន្ទាប់ពី process ដែលយើងបានប្រាប់គាត់នៅពេលឥឡូវនេះយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមទៅ process បន្ទាប់ដើម្បីឲ្យពួកគាត់បានឃើញជ័រហ្នឹងវាផ្លាស់ទៅជាម្សៅ
Now it was really time to get into the manufacturing. We were getting a sense of exactly how much this factory makes with all of these bags of material stacked up ready to be made into new pipe. This is the powderization room where that really begins. Those small bits of plastic we just saw get turned into this blue fine powder. The powder was everywhere. Then it gets put into these extrusion machines, where basically it gets melted down and made into a consistency that can be pushed through the machine and formed into the pipe shape. Water baths cool down the hot material and stick that form into place, making the pipe that comes out of the other side. The factory has 3 of these machines that all make different sizes of pipe. and they run 24 hours a day. So this is a serious operation. The pipe is already coming out here looking amazing, and it's just a matter of adding finishing touches like these prints that tell us the size and the serial number of the pipe. This was so interesting to us. None of us had seen machines like this before or been in a factory like this. We hadn't stopped to think how everyday products in our lives, like pipe, were made, and we had so many questions for the team. They had no trouble answering them. They were so knowledgeable. This factory has been passed down through generations, and they have decades of experience. They really do know what they're talking about and are experts in the field. So we were more than happy to hear from them about the process. The pipe felt so high quality, looked absolutely brand new. I could not believe it was made from recycled product. This factory is doing great things to take a product we wouldn't otherwise use and make it into something brand new. This can even create more affordable options for people like farmers, people building their own house, as it lowers the cost of production. It was almost time for the pipe to come out. The last step they have is to extend the end slightly to make a connector so that when you're actually using the pipe, you can fit two bits together to extend the length. After that, it really just is a matter of cutting it and spitting it out of the machine. Seeing the finished product start to come out the machines was so exciting. You would never have known that 10 minutes ago this was just a powder. It happens so quickly, and it's such a complex but simple process at the same time. It was so interesting to see the machines work, to hear the buzz of the factory. I really enjoyed being there. At the end, we got a chance to see a finished product and hold it for ourselves, and the quality was amazing. Like I say, you would just never know that this was made from a recycled product. When we first came in and saw that big pile of cracked, dirty, broken product, you would think that that was destined for landfill. But this has shown us that it can be made into a high quality product that can be resold and reused for a long time to come. It's really got me thinking about what else we could be recycling. It's really inspiring to see an initiative like this in Cambodia and see how we can be recycling more product, especially when we're talking with such a young business owner. It's so inspiring.
Okay, so that's us finished our tour at BK Pipe Factory, where we've seen how those bits of plastic I showed you at the start become products like these that we can use again. Thank you so much for showing us around.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
And thank you for coming to visit us.
Akun Charan. Shout out to BK Pipe Factory. It's amazing to see initiatives like this in Cambodia doing the good work for reusing products that would otherwise just go to waste. So shout out to BK Pipe Factory. Thank you so much for having us, and thank you for watching this video. Akun Chamrit Blia.